really grateful that you all took out the time to join me and to become part of this day. This is something that I have been planning for the past 1.5 years. And quite honestly, as I stand in front of you all today, I am excited, of course, very excited, but at the same time, I'm extremely nervous because, when you put yourself out there like that, it can be a little daunting. But I'm really happy that I'm doing it, and I'm really glad that I'm doing it because I've always done something that I love, whether it was starting to make films with Clean Slate Films, and today, whether it is doing something that I love, which is wearing good clothes. And without further ado, I'm just going to present to you my new venture, something very special to me. And it is a clothing line, as I'm sure a lot of you must have guessed looking at this. So presenting to you my clothing line. And here it is. So I'm just going to wait for you to come back. Yeah. But I hope you all enjoyed this show that we put up for you guys.
Check.
You can actually call it anything. I prefer calling it Noosh.
Okay. Oh, Noosh.
What was the first thing you thought of? How did you think of saying it? Come sit with me. Noosh?
Noosh.
Yeah, so you can call it anything. I personally try to call it Noosh. But it's your free will.
And now that we've got the name correct, and we make sure that all of you have also got it correctly over here, why don't you tell us a little bit about brand Noosh?
Well, this is something, like I said, that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. Planning on doing for a very long time.
Yeah.
And I think lesser spoken, I want to maybe show you something.
Okay.
Yeah?
So we'll let the video do a little bit of the talking.
I think so. I think it'll just kind of give us a good lead also. But I think this kind of, before the video, can I actually do something, like I'll just go a little off track.
Okay.
I actually want to just give you all a glimpse of the collection to everyone who's present here. And we have done something really special. If you would look to your left, where Monica is standing, and she will move from there very quickly. Thank you, Monica. Really appreciate it. But if you look on your left, we have something which is covered, but I will unveil it very soon. And you will be able to have a look at the entire collection, and well, at least most of it. The entire collection is 160 plus designs, so we couldn't put everything here, but as much as we could.
Yeah.
So yeah, and I think I would be very happy if you all can come here, have a look at the collection, see what you like. Please don't steal anything. There are cameras everywhere.
And also after the event, please stay with us here.
Yes, but even then, don't steal it. But of course, you can buy it at stores, guys. But I hope this gets you excited enough to buy these clothes. Come on, let's have a look at this now.
So let's unveil the entire, not the entire collection, but a big part of it.
So this is a part of the collection, and I thought instead of talking about it, it would be much easier for me to just show this. So I guess show and tell is always a more effective way of putting your point across. So
and
guys, this is a part of the collection. And yeah, please.
And I think what's really good is, I'm just going to like drop it here, I'm also wearing a part of the collection.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
And as a first-hand person who's now managed to, am I like the only second person who managed to wear the collection?
But technically, you would be the first person because before I walked on stage, you were wearing it.
Woohoo!
So it is all about the customers.
It is about the customers.
It's the customers before Anushka.
And I have to tell you that this is really, really comfortable. And once you do manage to go over there and take a look at the clothes, there's so much detailing that has gone in. Like something really simple as this. Yeah. Everyone always puts it over here. And then the sleeve has to sit over here. But here, it's right here, which is the most comfortable thing. And that's what I love about a collection like this.
I'm so happy that you have mentioned this because, I had the thing that, we call inputs.
Feedback.
So my inputs, and there Harsh is laughing back there. So I had so many inputs, and I think that was the reason why. Like whatever I felt personally, things that I would observe in clothes and be a little like irritated by that, why couldn't this just be here? And they're little things, but I feel like it makes all the difference, in making clothes comfortable. Because you wear them every day.
Exactly.
Right? So yeah, so I just went a little off track, but yeah, but I'm glad you noticed that.
So I know this is going to be one of those things where you're now going to put a gun to my head and say, no, I can't answer this, but I'm still going to ask you, do you have any favorites in the entire collection?
Come on, man. But I like so many of the clothes, obviously. I like personally, there are some styles that are my favorite, as it would be. But why don't I actually show you a video? I have a video here for you all, to see the clothes that I have worn, and maybe you'll get a better idea, and also kind of give me your feedback if you think it works on me or not.
Yeah, well, after seeing that, I can understand you saying that, it's not fair to say what are my favorites.
Yeah, and I'm there 160 plus designs, so it's hard to kind of pick and choose. But yeah, these are some of my favorites.
So what was the journey like? The journey with a brand like this? What has that journey been like?
Well, surprise, surprise. Why don't I show you a sneak peek into my journey?
Okay, so let's take a look at what that journey has been like. Well, I'm glad you actually made us watch a video like this because it really
Yeah.
showcases beautifully the kind of journey that someone takes. And one automatically assumes, that, oh, if she's fashionable, then she can launch a label. Right? You just think that it's very simple, but you can see there's a lot of thought and hard work.
I think it's harder for me to kind of talk about what I do. It's easier for me to kind of just do it
Yeah.
and let people see. So I think I found it easier for me to be able to show you these. So that's why the idea of the launch was to keep it as real and as transparent so that you all can understand how this journey has been so far.
Yeah.
And for example, even showcasing the collection here. So, it's very transparent. You can have a look at the clothes right here, right now. But I think the journey has been incredible and it has been long and, there have been challenges all along the way, but I think that's the beauty of doing something and stepping out of your comfort zone and doing something that engages you.
There's something very interesting that you said over there, where you said that, we know that your sense of style is comfortable. And you also spoke about how this has to be comfortable for everyone. So do you want to just expand a little bit on that and tell us the thought process that was behind that?
I feel like I love getting dressed and I like styling myself and looking good and clothes enable you doing that. But at the same time, it should not be a pressure of any kind. Clothes should be easy. Styling yourself should be easy. It should not be like you're special, so you know how to style yourself. So I wanted to create such designs that it is easy for anyone to style themselves, picking up clothes from right here. So that was the idea. So comfort is not just comfort in the clothes that you wear. And, like I was talking about pockets constantly because I find it, I find myself more confident when I have pockets. But it is about making clothes comfortable in every sense, from a price accessibility point of view, from styling point of view. And of course, the comfort, in the understanding of the word.
So no matter where you're going, if you're going for a coffee, you're going for a movie, it's the kind of label that allows you to just mix and match and put it all together.
Put it all together, absolutely.
On a side note, can I just steal that brown trench coat as I walk out as well? It's really cool.
It goes really well with this. In fact, we shot the campaign with the trench.
Trench teamed up with it?
Well done.
Okay, so guys, if it goes missing, just point your cameras in the other direction. But what inspired you to launch this? What was the inspiration behind it?
I remember having this conversation about 5 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago, about wanting to have my own clothing brand. And the reason is that clothes are actually something that we live in, right? They are a huge part of our lives. It's the way we express ourselves, not just our style, but it's the way we express our mood, how you're feeling. So it's not just superficial, it can add that kind of value to your life also. So in a way, it's a huge part of our lives, and it's a personal part of our lives, right? So I wanted to create a brand that can have that value in someone's life, be a personal part of somebody's life. So create a brand that does that. And that was the idea behind starting my own clothing brand. I've always wanted to do things that challenge me. I've always wanted to do things, something that consumes me, some idea that consumes me, something that inspires me. This inspired me enough that I can put all my energy into it. When I'm driven, I'm most focused. When I'm doing something that like I said, consumes me, I think I'm at my best. And this was doing that for me. So yes, the process has been long. But I'm glad that it is here finally, and it's here for everyone to see for themselves. And I hope all the hard work and everything, the emotional journey that I've had through this brand, kind of is out there for people to to give a feedback on.
I think they're going to give you some very good feedback. But is there a big difference between what Anushka Sharma wears in her daily life and Noosh?
You know, I think, like I said in the video as well, my sense of style is very accessible. You can wear the kind of clothes that I wear because I think it's very personal and yet it allows you to kind of style yourself in a particular way, whatever way your style may be. So this does that. Because we have 160 plus designs, there is something for everybody. So my personal style is reflected in the brand, but at the same time it also has clothes that is for someone whose sense of style is different from me, because we want to create clothes that are highly accessible. So it is everyday fashion for everybody. So you can wear this out on a, to college, to a freshers party. You could be going on a date. You could, be going out in the evening for, to dress it up for the festival season, going out for New Year's. It's holiday season right now. So there's something for everybody.
Everyone.
Yes, and that was the idea.
Well, I'm sure a journey like this also needs a lot of support and a lot of people kind of
Absolutely.
like coming together and making it happen. So are there like a few people that have just been very supportive with you along in this journey?
I think my entire life I've found a lot of support from people, and I've always believed that what you do is very important, but who you do it with is also extremely important, because that makes all the difference. So I want to take this opportunity to thank Sudhiti Industries, headed by Mr. Pavan Agarwal, for starting and embarking on this journey with me. And I hope this association is long and fruitful. And I also want to take the opportunity to thank Shopper Stop, our business partner, Shopper Stop, Myntra, Jabong. And can I also thank all the trade members who have joined me today from all over the country. I've just met them recently. Thank you so much, and I hope our association continues and is of value for us all. And I really want to thank 3 people here who never come to any of these things. My parents are over here. They never come. My brother's supposed to be here, but I don't know if he's suddenly like cultied. But I'm so glad they don't even come for a lot of my movie shoots, but today they're here, so it makes it very special. So thank you, Mom and Dad, for coming. And my mom is also wearing clothes from Nush.
All the Nush supporters. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. 12th of October will be the big date when you can get your hands onto Nush, like we said, in Shopper Stop, Myntra and Jabong, and also in various shop-in-shop outlets across the country. Also, for all our friends in the media, if you do want to put this on your social media, then don't forget the hashtags that you need to use. There's Facebook, there's Twitter, and there's Instagram, and it's Nush Brand. That's not brands, just Nush Brand. Thank you all so much. And it's time now.
And can I also quickly thank all my friends here in the media who've been extremely supportive of me throughout. Thank you so much for coming here. And like I said earlier, thank you guys for not shouting and making an entire mess of this. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining me.
So what we'll do, this is for our photographers over here. What we'll do is we'll quickly do a Q&A session, just a really quick, brief one. And then we'll do both the photo op opportunities for you all. So if anyone has a question, could you please raise your hand? Would be lovely if you introduce yourself, tell us which media outlet you're from, and then followed by your question.
हेलो
हाय मैं अनुप्रिया हूँ आपके रखी हो और आप कभी किसी मौके पे साड़ियाँ हो या गहने हो पहनना चाहती हूँ. और दूसरा सवाल मेरा ये है कि ट्रेडिशनल क्यों नहीं लॉन्च किया है आपने, मतलब सारा वेस्टर्न क्यों है?
पहला सवाल का जवाब है कि आपने एकदम सही बोला है. जब मेरी मम्मी तैयार हुआ करती थी, जब वो पार्टीज़ में जाते थे, तो मैं अपनी मम्मी को बहुत ऐसे देखती रहती थी इंटेंटली कि वो कैसे अपना मेकअप कर रही हैं, क्या साड़ी पहन रही है. और अभी तक जब मैं कभी साड़ी पहन रही हूँ, रिसेंटली मैंने एक साड़ी पहनी थी जो मेरी मम्मी की थी, तो मैं उनकी साड़ियाँ निकाल के पहनती हूँ. बिकॉज मेरे फादर आर्मी में थे, तो हम लोग काफ़ी जगहों में पोस्टेड थे. तो मम्मा जहाँ पे भी हम लोग थे, वहाँ की लोकल जो साड़ियाँ होती थी खरीदती थी. तो वो बहुत रेयर चीज़ें होती हैं, कभी कभी वो मिलती भी नहीं इतनी आसानी से. अभी खैर आजकल तो ज़माना अलग है, आजकल तो सब कुछ बहुत आसानी से मिल जाता है. बट मैं उनका सामान हमें मतलब अभी भी पहनती हूँ. लेकिन आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं ऐसी एबल डॉटर बन गई हूँ कि मैंने एक क्लोथिंग ब्रांड लॉन्च करी. आज मेरी मम्मी ने वो कपड़े पहने हुए हैं, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. और आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो माँ.
Hello, good evening.
That gentleman's been waiting, and then I'll come to you. Yeah,
Good evening
thank
to
you.
all, and congratulations, Anushka.
Thank you so
I'd like
much.
to know that what's the story behind the title Nush?
What do you think? It's part of my name. Didn't have to go too far for the inspiration.
And what do you think about the fashion industry in India?
What do I think about the fashion industry in India?
Yeah.
I think, it's great that today we have such great choice that is available to us with fashion. I remember when I was growing up, and I think this is one of the things, maybe the reason why today, we are here and I'm talking about my clothing brand with you, we're launching it over here, because when I was growing up, and I was modeling from a very young age, right? And my mum and me used to go shopping ki kapde wapde kharidenge, and like with whatever financial means that we have had, but going to different places to find something, aaj wo nahi hai, today things are more accessible, but at that time I remember going to one place, another place, ek cheez kahin se kharidi, kahin aur se kharidi, for various reasons, price point and all of that, but today it's become easier. So I think we are living in good times, and you can see that, you can see personal style being reflected, like लोगों की individuality दिखती है जब आप streets में देखते हैं लोगों ने जैसे कपड़े पहने हुए हैं, और वो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ होती है, वो एक confidence अंदर का दिखाता है, और मैं यही चाहती हूँ कि even नुश से आप अपना खुद का जो आपका स्टाइल है, जो आप जैसे हो, आप उसको एक्सप्रेस कर पाएँ आसानी से और बहुत ही ईजी वे में, वही आइडिया भी था. सो आई गेस that's my answer to your question.
All right, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
please go ahead.
straight. Would you be adding any more things to this collection apart from clothes? Would there be accessories or anything going ahead?
I would love to. Ideally, I would like Nush to be one-stop shop for everything. That would be the long-term plan. But at the moment, there's nothing that I can disclose because अभी कुछ ऐसा plan नहीं है. But आगे जाके, as the brand grows, that would be the intent.
Yeah. Hi, Anushka. I'm Shraboni from one of the trade magazines. I just wish to understand that did you face any challenges while coming out with a line like this? One, and two, there's been a big rat race, in the fashion industry in India. So how are you planning to be in the niche kind of a state?
I don't think there's a rat race as such. I think the more the merrier. It's a great thing, like I said earlier, that you have fashion available to you like this. More brands, more designs, more styles, more choice, and if I can enable that and I can add value to that, then I think that's a great thing. So I don't see it in the negative at all. This reflects my aesthetics, my sense of style, and obviously we await a feedback from the audience and their reactions, but I don't think it's in the negative at all. And also, what was another
The
thing?
challenges, I
The
said.
challenges. Challenges you face in everything that you do. But for me, like I said earlier, for me it's something that helps me. It helps me focus. When I'm facing a challenge, I feel more focused, I feel more driven, I feel more involved, and it is something that I enjoy doing. There are times that it gets too much. There were these meetings that we would have at the sampling stage of the collection, and I remember slotting like 2 ghante, and Krina over there from the design team is laughing because I would say हाँ 2 ghante करेंगे. They would say yeah 1.5 2 hours is more than enough. Let's fix that. But those meetings would go on for 9 hours. They've gone to 9 hours, and some of them would happen at my home. So I remember my mum coming and saying कि अब तुम लोग खाना तो खा लो, कुछ तो कर लो. So it has gone to that. So but I enjoyed it. पता ही नहीं चलता था मेरे को कि so much time has passed. Because getting into like the things that she mentioned, that this instead of being here, let it be there. These are things that we tried to think of. I mean, I'm not saying that we managed completely, but we've done our best to make sure that it's like little things that I have observed don't work in the best of the global brands. For example, when I shop sometimes from outside India, I wear those clothes there. You will come back to India, you feel like you can't wear it because it's too transparent. The fabric is not thick enough. So those dresses are great, but यहाँ पे नहीं पहन सकती क्योंकि see-through है. Also, we get photographed like this. और कभी-कभी आप लोग थोड़े से गंदे में चले जाते हैं और डाल देते हैं वो photographs कि देखो ये वो करते हैं तो हैं. So, you know, you have to become very, you're always so careful about these things. So, understanding that and saying कि यार इसकी थोड़ी thickness बढ़ा देते हैं, same fabric की thickness. So these were things that is how deeply, like, you know, one got involved in doing this, and it was challenging because I'm doing a lot of things. You know, I'm an actor. I'm producing movies. You know, there's so many commitments that you have, but I enjoy doing it. So I'm not doing things that I don't want to do. I'm doing things that I love doing. Even doing that, sometimes it gets so hectic, and this also got really, really hectic. But you know, but then you push yourself because it's a commitment, and you got to do it. And I see my brother here finally, so thank you for coming, Karnesh Sharma.
Hello. There's 2 points to the question. I just wanted to ask, what's the entry point what is the price range? And second part is, are you planning to do a standalone store, retail, or online? What exactly is the business mix?
So the prices start from about $699, and they go all the way to about $3,500. Like I mentioned, Shoppers Stop clothes will be available at Shoppers Stop. Online, they will be available at Myntra, and we also have various shop-in-shops where the clothes will be available. So distribution ke point of view se, it's a very good distribution that we've managed to achieve with the help of the industries, of course.
Hi Anushka, I'm Ukma from Navbharat Times. And अगर मैं जानना चाहूँगा, एक्ट्रेस अनुष्का शर्मा और जो बिजनेस वुमन अनुष्का शर्मा है, वो किस तरीके से मतलब डिफरेंट और किस तरीके से अलग हैं एक दूसरे से? क्या किस तरह का अंतर रहता है?
आप जो भी करते हैं वो आपके अंदर से ही आता है. आप जैसे हो, आपके जो बिलीफ्स, आपका जो बिलीफ सिस्टम है, आपकी जो सोच है, वहीं से हर चीज़ निकल के आती है. तो आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली हाउ टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, बट मेरी एज अ पर्सन मेरी कमिटमेंट हर चीज़ में बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, टू द फॉल्ट दैट आई कैन समटाइम्स बी टू इन्वॉल्व विद समथिंग, यू नो, एंड like if I'm doing something, I get so fixated in doing that, and I think that happens whether it's acting in movies, whether it's creating my roles, whether it is about producing a film, whether now it's about having a business venture. I get very involved with what I'm doing. तो मुझसे ऊपर का काम नहीं होता, मुझसे होता ही नहीं है. मतलब या तो it's all in or nothing for me. That's the way I am as a person. That's the only way I know how to function. And sometimes it's unhealthy for me also, as my father says. But I think it's something that is maybe the way in which I can motivate myself.
Hi, Anushka. Hi. I want to know what next. Actor, producer, own clothes line. Any plans to direct movies?
जब आपने मुझसे लास्ट टाइम ये सवाल पूछा था और उस समय पे फिल्म प्रोड्यूस करी थी, मैंने कहा था पता नहीं, मेरा कह नहीं सकते, आगे जाके देखेंगे क्या होता है. और आज हम यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं और आज हम ये नुश लॉन्च कर रहे हैं. तो अगली बार कुछ और मैं कर रही होंगी और आप मुझसे सवाल पूछेंगे और पूछेंगे अगला क्या है, और मैं बोलूँगी अगला बताऊँगी. तो मैं क्या है ना, जैसे ये किया ना, ये दिखाया, शो एंड टेल, ये देखिए, राइट. क्या सवाल पूछा, ये तो मुझसे ये ज़्यादा मेरे लिए आसान है. बोलना मेरे लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल है. मुझे लाइक doing things and letting people see, I find it much easier. A lot of times people tell me, यार आप ज़्यादा अपने बारे में बात नहीं करते हो, आप अपने आप को इतना मार्केट नहीं करते हो, ये नहीं करते हो. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता है. तो मैं करके दिखा देती हूँ. तो आगे जाके आप देखिए मैं क्या करती हूँ और क्या करना चाहती हूँ. बहुत कुछ है, बहुत ही स्टूपिड आइडियाज़ भी होते हैं. तो जो लोग मुझे बोल देते हैं बहुत स्टूपिड है, छोड़ दो, और कुछ अच्छे निकल जाते हैं और लोगों की मदद से फिर वो एस्टैब्लिश भी हो जाते हैं, जैसे क्लीन स्लेट फिल्म विद कर्नेश. सो बस ऐसे ही है, आगे चलती जा रही है गाड़ी, देखते रहिए क्या होता है आगे.
And who do you find in the industry as a trendsetter in terms of fashion besides you?
Only me. आज आपको लगता है मैं आपको कुछ और बोलने वाली हूँ. No, but I think I admire the style of so many people. I think Sonam has a great sense of style. Deepika has a great sense of style. Kangana, Jacqueline, everybody. I think everyone dresses really well. Amongst the men I think Akshay Kumar has a great individual sense of style. Ranbir Kapoor also dresses really well. And Ranveer is a bit on the other side, but it's really good also.
Thank you.
Do we have any other question?
Hi Anushka.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes.
is Ravi from ABP News. अनुष्का, मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि ये जो नुश है, ये नाम काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग साउंड कर रहा है। ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करते वक्त क्या-क्या नाम आपके दिमाग में आए थे और कैसे आपने ये नाम, मतलब कितना वक्त लगा ये नाम चूज करने में, या फर्स्ट चॉइस यही थी? कुछ बताएंगे?
हम ऐसा नाम चाहते थे जिसपे जो जिसका कोई ज़्यादा मीनिंग ना हो, बट वो सुनने में अच्छा लगे, यू नो, एंड इट्स कैची. सो आई थॉट दिस वाज वेल, एक और नाम था, वो मैं बताऊंगी ना आपको, बहुत ही गंदे थे.
प्लीज
तो
प्लीज बताइए.
फिर आपको लगेगा मेरे आइडियाज कितने गंदे हैं. आई जस्ट वांट टू शो यू माय गुड आइडिया. आई डोंट वांट टू शो यू द बैड वंस. बट कुछ नाम आए थे, बट दिस आई थिंक इट वाज नॉट ऑनेस्टली इतना लाइक आई सेड, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाना पड़ा इंस्पिरेशन के लिए, इतना भी ज़्यादा सोचना भी नहीं पड़ा. बट फर्स्ट वी थॉट कि यार, शुड इट बी लाइक अ little longer name, should it mean something, should it have a meaning, but then you know, we didn't want to commit to something which kind of then you have to kind of stick to that image only. It's this Nush, we can, you know, is something that I can maybe help grow this lot more, build up on this lot more, and the name is important for that. So that's why Nush. आपको अच्छा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा है.
बस और क्या चाहिए?
बट मैं वो नाम जानना चाहूँगा जो पहले आपने
बताऊंगी नहीं मैं आपको, कुछ भी कर लो. क्यों बताऊँ? मैं नहीं बताऊंगी.
अच्छा, एक छोटा सा सवाल और था कि जाहिर है कि आपने क्लोथ लाइन लॉन्च की है, तो इसके कपड़ों की डिज़ाइनिंग में भी काफ़ी आप ध्यान दे रही होंगी. तो क्या आगे ऐसा होगा कि जिस फिल्म में भी आप नज़र आएंगी उसमें भी ड्रेस डिज़ाइनिंग या कॉस्ट्यूम डिज़ाइन के बारे में आप सोचेंगी या उसमें भी इनपुट देंगी?
एक तो मैं डिज़ाइनर नहीं हूँ, और हमारी एक बहुत ही एबल डिज़ाइन एंड प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट टीम है सुदिति इंडस्ट्रीज़ में. मेरा इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है स्टाइल्स देखने में, इनपुट्स, अप्रूवल ऑन म्यूचुअल बेसिस कि क्या वर्क कर रहा है, क्या नहीं वर्क कर रहा है, एंड एस्थेटिकली अगर जो मेरा खुद का जो सेंस ऑफ स्टाइल और मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ स्टाइल है, अगर वो कलेक्शन में रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है कि नहीं. मैं एक सच मतलब मैं ये कपड़े अपनी फिल्मों में हो सकता है पहनूंगी, बिकॉज ये ऐसे कपड़े हैं कि आप नॉर्मल एवरीडे, जैसे मैंने कहा एवरीडे क्लोथिंग है, सो इट्स नॉट अ डिफ़िकल्ट फिट फॉर फिल्म्स. तो अगर ये कहीं पे फिट आएगा या मेरे कैरेक्टर के लिए फिट होगा तो मैं डेफिनेटली पहनूंगी. एक मुझे याद है कि मैंने शूट पे एक वो वाला है ना, वो जो सेपरेट्स हैं, वो स्ट्राइप वाला जो है, सबसे आगे वाला, तो मैंने वो पहना था शूट पे. एक मेरी कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइनर ने मुझे बोला दिस इज डैम गुड, तो मैंने उसको बोला कि ये मेरे खुद के कलेक्शन का है. तो व्हाट आर यू सेइंग? सो इट्स लाइक आई वांट आल्सो सी योर क्लोथ्स, मैं कुछ यूज़ करना चाहूँगा. सो इफ द डिजाइनर फील्स दैट देयर इज समथिंग दैट यू नो ही कैन, व्हिच बिकॉज एनीवेज दे विल बी बाइंग फ्रॉम अदर प्लेसेस आल्सो, देन या दे वुड यूज इट. बट ऐसे मैं उसको थोड़ा थोपने की कोशिश नहीं करूँगी.
हेलो अनुष्का जी.
बट क्लीन स्लेट में तो हाँ 100%.
अनुष्का जी, आरती सक्सेना यहाँ here.
राइट लेफ्ट बोल दो.
We really can't see you, ma'am.
अच्छा हाँ, ओके, सॉरी.
जो ये फिल्मों में और जो फैशन वीक्स में जो ड्रेसेस दिखाए जाते हैं, वो ना असल ज़िंदगी में बहुत कम पहने जाते हैं. अगर आप देखें तो ऑरेंज पैंट, रेड शर्ट कोई नहीं पहनता है असल ज़िंदगी में.
गोविंदा तो पहनते थे और अच्छे भी लगते थे.
असल ज़िंदगी में वो भी नहीं पहनते, वो वाइट पहनते हैं. तो मतलब मेरा यही कहना था कि नुश में ऐसे क्या खास बात होगी जो कि आम पब्लिक पहनना पसंद करे.
आइडिया वही रहा है और हमने कोशिश वही करी है कि ये एवरीडे क्लोथिंग है जो आप रोज़ की ज़िंदगी में अलग अलग जगहों पे आप इसको पहन सकते हैं. और ऐसा ही बनाया गया कि बहुत आसानी से आप अपने आप को स्टाइल भी कर सकते हैं. ऑल्सो अगर मैं आपको थोड़ा सा इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहूँ तो जो आप फैशन वीक में डिज़ाइनर्स के कपड़े देखते हैं, इन अ वे दैट वो हाई स्ट्रीट फैशन नहीं होता है, एंड दैट इज़ ऑल्सो टू शोकेस देयर क्रिएटिविटी. दिस इज़ हाई स्ट्रीट everyday fashion, so this is always going to be something that आप आसानी से पहन पाए और आप आसानी से अपने आप को स्टाइल कर पाए. तो आप जब ये ख़त्म होता है तो आप you can go and have a look and see for yourself.
और मेरा एक और सवाल था कि आप है ना एक्टर बन चुकी हैं, प्रोड्यूसर बन चुकी है और अब तो डिज़ाइनर भी बन चुकी है, तो
डिज़ाइनर नहीं,
बिजनेस वूमेन बन चुकी है. नुश आ गया है, तो मतलब इसके बाद कोई टीम खरीदना चाहेंगी क्रिकेट या फुटबॉल की?
They're basically giving you ideas now of what you could do next.
I think हाँ, इससे इतने पैसे कमाऊँ कि मैं ऐसा ही करूँ.
All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen,
thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you all so much.
Thank you for joining us. Thanks a lot.
So what we'll do is I'm just getting the chairs moved. Yeah? just a second. We'll get the chairs moved and then we can take the pictures. Yes, we'll do that. We are getting it done. Yeah.
अनुष्का जी राइट देखा महेश इधर ही मैम राइट अनुष्का जी राइट
Daniel, should we go there?
इधर फुल मैम अभी इधर देखिए रोहन रोहन हाथ उठाना ऊपर यो अरे मैं नहीं हूँ यार अच्छा तू उधर मारो यार कैमरा हाँ अनुष्का जी मैडम जी मैम अभी उसके
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we've also got some food and some snacks that are being served over there. So while the photographs continue, please do help yourselves and then you can also come and take a look at the collection.
लाइट आ रहा है मैम लाइट आ रहा है अनुष्का स्ट्रेट इधर अनुष्का सामने इधर अनुष्का इधर सामने अनुष्का इधर सामने आप डाउन अनुष्का मैम चल उधर यार सब चलो क्या कर रहे हो यार तुम लोग यार क्या इतना धक्कम धुक्की कर रहे हो अपने फेस पे झाड़ो अनुष्का जी मनोज को अलावे भाई मेरे को पीछे वाले को नीचे खींच मनोज नीचे ना इधर ठीक है इधर पोस्ट कर दिए अरे नीचे से खींचो नीचे तो उठा के हटा लो ना थोड़ा दूर आओ ना अरे साइड में लाइट दो चलो हो गया फिक्स हो गया बस मजाक हो रहा है मॉम डैड हाँ मॉम डैडी के साथ एक भाई को पीछे जाओ हाँ पीछे जाओ हाँ ठीक है अरे मनोज क्या कर रहे भाई मनोज हाँ भाई तुम थोड़ा सा नीचे थोड़ा सा डाउन भाई जिसको हुआ जल्दी झुको अरे दिनेश हिम्मत ना
बस ठीक है हो गया
लाइट यार अनुष्का जी एक लाख देखती हूँ वैसा कपड़ा देखते हो थोड़ा लेफ्ट में मैम थोड़ा लेफ्ट है ना पूरा देखिएगा हाँ
थैंक यू गाइस
हाँ यहाँ पे ओके थैंक